Welcome to Future Phone Flash, your ultimate source for the latest in cutting-edge technology. Today, we're delving into exclusive leaked benchmarks that reveal the groundbreaking Pixel 9 series and its revolutionary Tensor G4 chip. Let's explore what makes these upcoming phones so captivating. The Pixel 9 series leak. The Pixel 9 series has caused a buzz with leaked benchmarks uncovering its innovative Tensor G4 chip. This new chipset introduces a 1 plus 3 plus 4 core configuration, marking a significant shift in performance dynamics compared to its predecessor, the Pixel 8. Dive into the Tensor G4 configuration. According to benchmark results from Rosette, the Tensor G4 boasts an 8-core setup with one Cortex X4 core at 3.1 GHz, 3 Cortex A720 cores at 2.6 GHz, and 4 Cortex A520 cores at 1.95 GHz. This setup indicates a reduction in core count, but an increase in clock speeds across all cores. Performance insights unveiled. While the benchmarks show modest performance gains over the Pixel 8, it's essential to note that these tests were conducted on non-final software. Google may further optimize performance before the official launch, potentially enhancing the user experience. Outro. Excitement is mounting as we eagerly await the official unveiling of the Pixel 9 series and its game-changing features. Stay tuned to Future Phone Flash for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all things tech-related. See you in the next video.